Hey, it's Ashleigh here, and welcome to another episode in my home Reno series. So this episode today is actually the last episode in this part of the series, and then we will be moving on with fresh new episodes focusing on the kitchen. Yay! So this video today is mainly all about us finishing up the final little touches in the house, moving in, and doing some other little things along the way. So let's go ahead and start this episode. Okay guys, so we're back at the house. I don't know how this footage is gonna go. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this thing, but right now I just did like this full-blown Instagram thing, so I'm probably gonna put that clip in prior to. I probably already did, but today what we're doing is we are putting the floors in the girls' room. We're gonna do this hallway, and we're also, I don't know if we're gonna do that room right there, but if we don't do that room right there, we'll try to do the room at the bottom. But if not, if we get the girls' room done and the hallway, that would be amazing, because it is really crunch time. We have to be out of our townhouse by the end of the month, and that is like a week and a half away. So today we are doing the girls' room and we're putting the floors down. So let me go ahead and get started, because he's already started. Can this just be in the trash? Downstairs?
Yeah, but we're not.
Okay guys, so I had to switch to my phone because I forgot to put the footage on my computer. So we're on my phone. We got knee pads. We got knee pads this time, y'all. I have bought knee pads and
Are you starting again?
yeah, sorry. I have bought knee pads and I don't know what happens to them. So the first, when we were doing that room in the front, we didn't have any knee pads. So we got knee pads. Alright, so since they mainly finished the areas up here with painting and everything, because honestly the rooms up here were the easiest rooms to kind of do, minus that one guest bedroom. But anyways, they have finished painting up here, so we just decided to start putting the flooring down. So we started with the girls' room, and honestly, since we have finished that first front room, we just got into like the motion of doing this. And actually putting down flooring is pretty easy, but honestly it can be time consuming, and I would not want to be doing this every day, but just know you can put your own floors down. So we finished with the girls' room this night, and then we came back the next day. I think it was around the afternoon, and we started to kind of finish up the hallway. And then we decided that we were not going to do the rest of the flooring because it kind of took us a little bit longer. And when they were putting down the floors, they were much more efficient and they were like finished in no time. So we just let them finish up the rest of the house. So downstairs, in the main hall, in our room, and then we left the basement for us to do ourselves because we could just do that when we actually move in. Okay, so this day was super exciting. So this was probably like a day or two after we decided not to do the rest of the floors ourselves and to let them do it. So today, this was just like a walkthrough kind of day. We were just going through, looking at some of the things and little touch-ups that needed to be fixed and stuff like that. All they had to do was, again, clean up, take paint or sand down, all that stuff. But this was pretty exciting because to see where we were before and where we are now with the fresh coats of paint and new flooring, it was just super exciting. So like I've been saying, my main objective was just to get this house move-in ready, just start with fresh, clean slate, fresh walls, all that stuff, so that then I can work room by room, making it our own. And yeah, so this was exciting. So they cleaned up all their mess, and then we actually got some people to come in and just clean up the whole house, and then it was time for us to move in. So the day finally came. It was move-in day, and we started to move everything out of our townhouse. It was a very bittersweet moment because I feel like we've been in here for about 2.5 years. So anyways, yes, so we packed up everything, cleared out everything. We got the townhouse cleaned out. And then we moved into the new house, and we were super excited to be moving in because going back and forth between the townhouse and the new house was a lot. But this was a super exciting day when we moved everything into our new house. So when we first got our house, one of the main things we did was put in the toilets. So he started putting in new toilets in this bathroom, our bathroom, the girls' bathroom upstairs, and the bathroom downstairs. So we'll have some nice, fresh, clean, new toilets. All right, so quick update on what is going on. So we got the TV installed over here yesterday. And then now today we are getting the recessed lighting put in. So on this wall and also on this wall, and remove the track lighting. So that is what is happening today. Yeah, and then now this is what the space is looking like now, but I'm looking for like couches and all that stuff to go in here. But yeah. Okay, so I just got some new doorknobs in, and also some hinges. I ordered them on Amazon, so they're like an oil bronze color. I'm hoping that they look good on the doors. I didn't want to do all the way black, so I got these because the ones right now that we have are very busted. They don't work. So hopefully this would be a good solution, and honestly, it was more affordable than purchasing them separately from like a home improvement store. So I'm hoping that they look good and that I know what I'm doing. So let's see. So again, as I said, I have never taken down hardware, but this is what these little doorknobs look like. They're very old, first of all, and they have paint on them, so we just needed them to go. So I simply just switched all of these out. They were super easy to do, so this took me about 2 days, I think, to do. Actually, no, the doorknobs, I did them all in a day, but then I'm gonna show you guys the hinges, and I worked on the hinges, taking these off and replacing them, and that took me about 2 days to do because there are so many doors in this house. This is how this door is looking. Ooh, it looks so much better. This looks so good. It's just the little things, y'all. The little things. So Mel helped me with most of the doors, but then on the days that he wasn't there, I had to do the doors myself, and I found a method that was easy for me, which I was working on one hinge at a time. So I would start with the top, put that hinge on, do the middle hinges, and then work like that so I wouldn't have to take the door all the way off. So that works. So if you ever have to do this yourself, this is an easy way that you can do it and get it done. So as I said, when we moved in, we then just started to come down here every day and just work a little bit at a time with putting in the flooring down here. And again, once you get in a groove with doing this, you can just keep going and going and going. But we did take breaks and things like that, but we did get the flooring done down in the basement. So another main important thing that we did was we put up smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. So this company sent me these, which was amazing because honestly, I was gonna buy these myself. But then they reached out to me and they were like, oh, we can send you these. So I got the 6-pack. They're very easy to install and they are interconnected, which was such so important for them to be interconnected. So we just put these up. So I'm pretty sure we put 2 in the basement and like 3 or 4 on the main level and then 1 upstairs. But anyways, we put these up. And I will have a coupon code for you guys if you are interested in these. I got them on Amazon. They come really fast. And then I'll also have a link to the doorknobs and hinges if you're interested in those. All of those would be in my description. So anyways, I'm so excited. We are all done with these 13 episodes of this part of the house rental series. And the next episode, episode 1, will be DIY kitchen countertops. Super excited. So if you haven't checked out the full playlist of all 13 episodes, you can check it out here, and I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.